Introduction to JavaScript Set. A set is a built-in object in JavaScript to store unique values of any type. It's similar to an array but with key differences. Values are not indexed and there's no duplication. Creating a set in JavaScript. Create a new set using newSet method. Add values to the set using add method. Working with a set, access values using the has method, not by index. Remove values from a set using delete method. Count the values in a set using the size property. Iterating over a set, use a for.of loop or the for-each method to iterate over the values. Tips and tricks. Ensure uniqueness in an array by converting it to a set and back to an array. Clear all values from a set using the clear method. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Adding duplicate values won't increase the size of the set. Accessing values by index results in undefined. Use appropriate methods like has, delete, and for each instead. Conclusion. JavaScript sets are a powerful tool for enforcing uniqueness among values. Sets have unique methods and properties that make them different and useful compared to arrays.